Hi guys, welcome to Pokefan and Buggy's channel. Today we are going to draw a Pokeball. It's custom. I'm gonna make the confetti Pokeball. First, draw a circle. Like that. And then draw rectangular lines that end here. We'll make it straight later. And a ball. Small ball and another small ball inside it, and then do that. We're gonna make it smaller because this one will be cooler. Then draw confetti around it. After that, you're gonna want to get your color pencils and get the blue color. This blue color, and we're gonna color this with blue. It's custom. With a little circle and color it. After that, you're gonna want to take yellow and red. We're gonna color the confettis red. I meant yellow. There's some yellow. After that, we have our red color. We're gonna color the bottom red. After done coloring that, we'll add some more red but darker. Press it very hard at the paper but not too hard. After that, you're gonna want to take your eraser and erase the other parts. Be careful because we used the pencil. Then color the parts that erased. And color this part black, except for the small hole, like this to make it look blue. Then here, there you have it. Your own custom confetti Pokeball. Bye guys, please like and subscribe. Bye.